Hello students, now we have to solve our sub practice 8a. I have explained the definition of percentage and some methods. Two methods I have explained. Based on this method only we have these types of questions are given. Just you read the question number first in 8a. Express each of the following as a percent. So just you see here, these are fraction is given and some mixed fraction is given and decimal is given. So we have to convert into percentage. So this one is the fraction 1 upon 5. So we have to convert into percentage. For that we have to multiply by 100. Okay. So after that we have to cancel out. It will come 20. So final answer is 20%. So just use here symbol percentage. Here mixed fraction is given. So first of all we have to remove the mixed fraction. We have to convert it to improper. So 20 plus 9, it will come 29 upon 10. Okay. Now we have to convert into percentage. For that we have to multiply by 100. So 0 will come. It will come to 90%. This is the answer. Okay. Now this one is the decimal. So in this decimal we have to convert into percentage. Again we have to multiply by 100 only. There will be no any different method. So just you multiply by 100. Then it will come. If you want to solve like this point, remove the point, 0 will cancel, then it will come 3 into 10, 30%. Okay. Either solve like this, either you multiply, both you will get same answer. Now, again we have to multiply by 100 here. So point will remove, it will come 20. So 100 will cancel out, it will come 105%. Okay. So maybe percent more than 100 also sometimes. Now here again we have to remove like this. Just remove 10. 100 will multiply. Just remove this decimal. It will come 1000. 20 will cancel. It will come 9002 upon 10. After we have to convert it to decimal only. So just write down like this 900.2%. This is the final answer. Now this one is 10th one. 0.75 decimal is given. So again we have to convert into percentage. For that we have to multiply by 100. Just remove this point. Then 100 will come. 100 cancel. Then it will come 75%. This is the answer. Now these are the convert into percentage. And these are the percentage is given. We have to convert into fraction, simplest fraction. Question is given. Express in the question number 2. Express in its simplest form. And whatever I have left, some parts only I have did here. Whatever I have left, just try yourself. Okay. Now in the question number 2 also I have taken some question and some question I have left for you. So first of all we have to convert into simplest fraction. For that just remove this decimal percentage. For that we have to divide by 100. Okay. So 80 upon 100, then it will come 0. After that 8 upon 10. Now cancel by 2 table. So 4 to the and 5 to the. So final answer is 4 upon 5. This is the final answer. 4 upon 5. This is the simplest fraction. Okay. Now this one 62. 1 upon 2% is given. First of all we have to remove the mixed fraction. Then it will come 2 to the 4 and 6 to the 12 plus 1. 125 upon 2%. So we have to remove this percentage. For that divide by 100. So 2 with 2 only multiply 100 means denominator part. After that we will cancel out here. So just you cancel by 25 5 and 25 after that 5 5 and this one 4 5 it will come 5 2 4 8. So 5 upon 8 this is the simplest fraction. Okay. Now in the G part also same like this. So 120% upon 100 we will write 0 will cancel, then 6 2 and 5 2 it will come 6 upon 5. This is simplest fraction. Now in the third question is given, we have to express as a decimal. So whatever percentage is given, we have to express as a decimal. Okay. So first of all we will remove the percentage. So we will remove the percentage. We have to divide by again 100 here. So just remove 7 upon 100 will come. After just directly you can divide by 100. Then you will get in decimal 0.07. This is the answer. Okay. Now here this one is the percentage is given and for mixed fraction also. So it will come 3 upon 2%. Percent it means multiply by 100 in the below. So 3 upon 200 like this it will come. After then we have to divide by 200 to 3, then it will convert into decimal. So just you divide by 200 to 3, so it will come point here 0. Again it is not divisible, so just you put here 1 0 1 0, then 1 ja. So 200, after we will subtract 0 1 and 1 0 we can put ourselves, so 5. So it will come, final answer is 0.015. This is the into decimal. Now this one is the 24 25 upon 4 and just multiply by 100 here, then we will cancel out 4 ja, then it will come 1 upon 16. 4 4 ja 16. Okay, now we have to convert into decimal. For that again we have to divide by 16 to 1. So just directly divide by 16 to 1, 16 and 1. Then first just we have to put point, then it will come 1 0. Again it is not divisible, just put 1 0 more here. Then 4 4 ja 16 6 ja 96. So just we will subtract here, 4 will come again. We can put 1 0. So 1 ja 16. Then we will subtract here. Not 1 ja, 2 ja will come. So we will subtract here 16 to the 32, 80 will come. Then 1 0 5 ja. So it will come, final answer is 0.625 in decimal. Okay. So like that we have to do rest other parts. Now this one h again. We have to convert into, first of all remove the mixed fraction in fraction. Then we have to remove the percentage. So 72 5 ja 360, 360 means 363 upon 5 into 100 will come. Okay, now if you want you can divide here directly. So 500 to 363 we will divide. So it is not divisible. First of all we will put point here, then we can divide by 7 directly. So it will come 3500. 3500. So 0 3 and now you will subtract, 1 will come, then 0. Now you can put 1 0 again, so 2 ja, it will come 1000. Now we will subtract 3, then we can put 1 0, so again 6 ja. So it will come, answer is 0.726, final answer 726. Next one, in the x part also, again we will multiply 5 5 ja 25, carry 2 and 5 2 ja 10, so 1025. And then we will add 1027 upon 5 into 100. Okay. Now again we have to convert into decimal. For that we have to divide by 500 to 1027. So directly we can divide by 1027. First of all we will multiply 205 into 5. So 5 5 this one, then 5 2 10. Now we will add here 2. So it will come 1027. Now we will divide by 500 to 1027. So how much will come 2 ja? First of all we will write down here 2 ja. So 1000, then 7 2 and 0 0. It is not divisible. First of all we will put point here, then it will come 0. Again it is not divisible, just we put 1 0. Then we will divide by 500. So it will come 2500 0 0 0 0 2. Again we can put 1 0, so 4 ja. So final answer it will come 2.054. 2.054. This is the final answer. Now in the question number 4. So how will do question number 4? In this question is given, we have to compare either greater than or less than. So for that, in this part, we will check this side is greater or this side is greater. Means one is fraction, one fraction is given and one is percentage is given. So here convert this percentage into fraction. So it will come 70 upon 100. Now cancel out, it will come 7 upon 10. So this one also a percentage and this one also a fraction. Both are in fraction. 5 upon 8 and here 7 upon 10. Just you cross multiply here, it will cross multiply like this. For comparison also we are doing like this only in the fraction part. If two fractions are given, we have to check which one is greater. For that we have to do cross multiplication, or we can make same denominator, either you use. So now I am doing here cross multiplication. So here 50 it will come, 8 7 are 56. So this side is greater. So just you put here symbol like this. Okay. Now here also C part also we have to do like this. first of all this percentage convert into fraction. So 92 upon 0.7 upon 100 it will come, and just either you convert directly in the decimal. So it will come like this 0.927, here 0.927. Both are equal. So just you put here equal sign. Okay, there is no any less than or greater than. Both are equal here. So just you put here equal to sign. Now in the question rest of the question I have left some questions. So just try yourself. Okay. In the question number 5 we have to arrange in ascending order, or you can say in increasing order. So some percentage is given and some fraction is given and decimal also given. First of all we have to convert either in a single, either in a percentage, or either you can convert into decimal or fraction. So I will do convert into fraction only. So okay, 38 upon 100 will come here, and this one just you convert into 4 upon 10 will come. Now we have to convert in, remove this mixed fraction, it will come 105, 106 upon 100, 3 into 100, okay, like this. So, and this one is the 5 upon 8 is given directly. Now, in this part, 35, 3 is 105 and 106. Now, if you want, first of all, cancel out some word, then it will be better. So, it will come 53 and it will come 50, okay. And here, 2 2 ja and 5 ja. Now here 19 ja or here 50 ja. So we can write down like this: 19 upon 50, and here 2 upon 5, here 53 upon 150, and here 5 upon 8. Here denominator is 55, 158. These are the denominator given. So first of all we have to make a like decimal, like fraction, means we have to make same denominator. For that we have to take LCM, this one. So first of all I will take LCM here. So just you see here in the question, first here 50 is given, 5 is given, 150 is given, and 8 is given. So we have to find LCM. For that we have to take 2, 25, 5, and here 75 and 4 here. Again we have to divide by 2. So 25, 5, 75, here 2. Now directly 2, 25, 5, 75, 2. 1. Here 1 will come. Now by 5 ja, 5, 1, 15. Again 5 ja, 1, 1, 3. Now 3 ja. So just it will come 8 into 25, 200, 200 into 3, 600 will come. So LCM will be 600. So what should we multiply in this? Then it will come 600 denominator. So it will multiply by which number? We have to multiply by 12. So 12, 5 is 60. Then it will come 600. So we multiply by 12 here also. So how much will come? 19 into 12. So 38, and this one 9, 1, 8. This one is 27, 12, and here 2. So 228 upon 600. And what should we multiply here? So we will multiply by 120. So here also 120. Then it will come to 40 upon 600. And now this next one 53. So again we have to multiply by 4 here. Here 4. So 4 3s are 12. Carry 1. 20. 212 upon 600. Again we have to multiply by which number? So 75, we have to multiply by 75 here, then it will become 600, 75, 375 upon 600 will come. 5 5 is 25, carry 2. Yes. Now we can check here which one is greater. So we have to convert it to ascending order. So this one is the smallest. First one it will come this first position, this one second position, this one third position, and this one fourth position. So like this we have to arrange in the ascending order. So just I will arrange here in the ascending order of the question number 5th. So this one means first position 35, 1 upon 3 less than ascending order. And now this one second, so 38% less than third, 0.4 is less than 5 upon 8. This one is the greater. This is the correct order of the question number 5a. Now we have to do question number 6. In the question number 6 again we have to arrange in descending order. So just write on 6a. So 4 upon 5 is given, 0.5 is given, 500% is given, and 66 2 upon 3% is given. So 4 number again here, 2 number in percentage and 1 decimal and 1 fraction. So first of all we have to convert into fraction. So 4 upon 5 and it will come 5 upon 10, it will come 5 upon 100 and it will come how much? This one is 198, 198 means 200 upon 3 into 100. Now just cancel out here, it will cancel 2 0 and here also 2 0. So 4 upon 5 will come and here 2, it will come 1 upon 2 and 5 upon 1, 2 upon 3. So LCM is 5 2 3, it will come 30. So LCM will be 30. So what should we multiply by here? It will come 6 into 6. Again here 15. We have to multiply by 15, 15. And we have to multiply by 30, 30. And we have to multiply by 10 into 10. So it will come 24 upon 30 and here 15 upon 30. Here 150 upon 30 and here it will come 20 upon 30. So which number is smallest and which number is greatest? Just you see here. Then we can arrange into descending order. So in descending order, first one will come bigger number, so first position, and then after that which one is greater? Just you see here, this one second position, then third position, and this one fourth position. So first 500% is greater than, then it will come 24 means 4 upon 5 is greater than, 66 2 upon 3% is greater than 0.5. This is the final correct order. The rest of the question, whatever I left, just try yourself. Now I will do question number. In the question number 7, just try yourself. Okay, question number 7 is very easy. First of all, you have to convert into fraction. Then you convert into shaded part or unshaded part. So in case of here 4 part is given and 3 part is shaded, 1 part is unshaded. So 3 upon 4 will come for shaded fraction or unshaded fraction, it will come 1 upon 4, and for fraction just you multiply in both the part by 100, so you will get the correct percentage. Okay, now I will do question number 8, next one. So we have to do question number 8. All of you read the question number 8, what is given in that question. All of you read, be careful. So here a molecule of water is made up of 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. What percent of the atoms of water molecule in is oxygen? So here number of atoms, number of hydrogen atom is equal to 2. Or number of oxygen atom is equal to 1. So total atom is equal to how much? Total atoms is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, now we have to find percentage for oxygen. So oxygen percentage is equal to how much it will come? Means total oxygen, we are finding for oxygen, so we will write on upper part oxygen and total above, below, and we have to multiply, for convert into percentage we have to multiply by 100. So first of all we have to convert into fraction. So how much fraction part is there? So 1 upon 3 it will come, then multiply by 100, it will come 100 upon 3. We can convert it to mixed fraction, so 33 1 upon 3% of the oxygen present in the water molecule. Okay, now in the question number 9, just I have left for you. Question number 10 I will solve. Just try. So question number 9, try yourself. Okay, Prashant spent 4 hours a day for his self-study. For a day, total hours is 24. Total hours is 24. And in this hours, they are spending some activities in the time. So for a study, he spends 4 hours. and for video game 1 hour. Okay, and doing fitness work, for fitness he has spent 1 hour. So total hours for these activity, total hours for these activity is equal to 4 plus 1 plus 1, it will come 6 hours. Okay, now we have to find percentage of these only. So total hours for one day is equal to 24. So we have to find percentage hours for these activity. Is equal to 6 upon 24 into 100. So just cancel out, it will come 4, then we will cancel out 25 will come. So 25% he has spent in this activity for whole day. Okay, like that, just try yourself. Whatever I read this question, just try yourself. Okay, next, our self practice 8B I will explain in the next video. That's all.